Today on the table, I've got myself a Samsung Galaxy J1 120 or a 2016 model. You might be able to see in the footage here there is some noticeable cracks on the OLED display. Now, this particular phone is relatively straightforward to do, where there's not even a single screw in it to actually do the job. So this one, I've started just by prying around the screen just to lift it out. The screen itself should look kind of like this. So anyway, I'll start digging into it. I've had it on heat for a little bit here, on this blue heat mat. It's 60 degrees Celsius, and now I'm just going to pry around and remove the multiple layers. So I'll just let this play for a little bit. This was on this right hand side of the phone at the back. Take off this cover, and there's a small little clip, or a flex connector, which leads to the OLED panel itself. So if that's disconnected, the panel's free to come out. From here, what you normally want to do is clean up all the outer perimeter, or just the whole front section of the phone from glass shards. What this would normally do is, if you put the new screen in there without cleaning it properly, you run the risk of cracking the OLED display or the glass, and then rendering your repair no good at all. So just a bit of a clean up here, get back into it. Now another thing here is I did get a bit carried away. I did cut the video as I'd applied tape all around the outer perimeter of the screen, only to find out that my brand new screen does have tape already pre-applied to it. So with that, I've already taken off the outer perimeter of the replacement screen, or the adhesive that covers it. So it's sticky here in the middle and around the outer edges. All it's left to do now is feed the cable through, align the screen correctly, preferably before you push it down and that adhesive bonds. Now you should be able to flip the flex connector over, clip it in. Should make a bit of a decent click feel. Battery, flex connector cable. Another thing I'd recommend doing as well is making sure that the home button itself moves freely. So down the bottom, if you push the button, you want that to click out straight away. But overall, it's a relatively easy phone to fix, and most people should be able to DIY. Anyway, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.